Alright, so if I want to take these coins to the bank, I have to roll them. I am not going to roll these coins. I just don't want to do it. Here's some dimes and some nickels. And in the bottom is a bunch of pennies. So I'm going to take these and show you how to cash them in for no fee and no rolling. Who wants to roll coins? So I want no fee. I don't want cash because when you click on cash, it's like 12.5%. So we decline that.
Yeah, she's taking some personal time and taking care of some business. Oh, that's totally.
You want no fees. And look at all these to choose from. I'm gonna do Amazon gift card. I gotta have at least $5. And do I agree to this? Yeah, I accept it. Oh, there's a quarter. I think I'll keep that. Okay, what's down here? Always remember to get those coins down here. Get them out, grab them, and put them back up. Make sure you get all your coins out of your bucket, out of this. When you don't hear any noise for a minute, you can click I'm done. Okay. I'm done. Confirm. And it spits out your receipt. Dun, 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 dun. So this is what we had.
Please take your receipt.
Please take your receipt. Oh, thank you. So the final total for my coins was $60.76. I did not get charged a fee, so all of my coins went to an Amazon gift card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching Epic Help.